FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you're just browsing and happen to run into my channel, please like and subscribe and welcome. And to all my gang, welcome back. Let's go in the kitchen. Today I feel for some porridge. I love porridge and I love soup. So I make a mean porridge. Here is my ingredients for today. I'm gonna be making some roots porridge. This is some carrot I have that I juice. I use the trash, pumpkin, plantain, peanut oatmeal with my milk, condensed milk to sweeten and evaporated milk, my sugar, coconut and cane sugar, coconut milk, freshly squeezed, and some milk powder. And these are my spices: ginger, salt, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and some extract. And here I'm gonna be putting some Irish moss that I made also in my porridge. But over here there are some spice that already boiled with the skin of the orange, pimento, and cinnamon stick. As I tell you before, I love a mean porridge. Let's get going. So guys, this is half of the half of pumpkin that I have. I already put half in, and a plantain, cut up a plantain. So I'm gonna blend this together. So guys, in this pot I have some of the carrots, and I'm gonna add this blend to it. And guys, remember to keep the skin on the pumpkin because it has a lot of health benefits in it. So this is like a root, plant root, vegetable root porridge. So guys, with the root vegetables boiling, I'm gonna add a cup of raw peanut, 2 cups of oatmeal. So guys, I just had the rest of the coconut milk and I mix some with the coconut milk powder so I get it more rich. And now I'm gonna chop. So guys, now I just add the oatmeal with the peanut after 20 minutes. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go in with a can of evaporated milk. This I'm gonna add a can of condensed milk. I'm gonna add some sea salt, maybe about a teaspoon, a half a teaspoon of vanilla powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg, a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, just some ginger. I'm gonna do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon extract, teaspoon of vanilla extract. I add 2 big tablespoons of sugar. So guys, I didn't have to use any cane sugar. Sweeten to your own taste as you go along. Now I'm going to add my Irish moss. So I'm gonna add a big spoon and a half of Irish moss. And you don't need to boil your moss to get the health benefits out of it. So that's why I put it in the end. All right. So I'll see you guys at presentation. So okay, my FK gang, here is a porridge that you will never see anywhere else but in Fergie's Kitchen. Here is my vegetables, root vegetables, and plantain, raw nuts, and oatmeal porridge. It is delicious. Hail up to all the Rastaman them. Yeah, so the thing said. Anyway, as you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. Now it's time to feed the soul. Today's scripture will be coming from Job 19, verse 25. For I know that my Redeemer liveth, and that he shall stand at the latter day upon the earth. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, have unshakable faith in yourself to become everything you want to be. Remember that, all right? Make sure your faith is unshakable to become everything that you want to be. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.